Hi guys, well the wind's dropped over there. That's the lifeboat's just been out, but I think that was just a test run. Anyway, say the wind's dropped, but there's no beach left, so I'm just going to give this a little test flight on the sand here, just see if I've got the general centre of gravity right. So I've got the hat camera here, which I'll put on, and we'll just give it a gentle throw. Hopefully we won't end up in the water. Right, well that looked a bit tail heavy, didn't it? Yeah. Let's see if we can move that weight as far forwards as possible. And if that doesn't do it, we'll have to add some more weight. Oh, well there you go. Just that tiny bit of difference. Because I've got sandy weight now. Because as I found before, the trimming for Catapult launch is quite different to the trimming for just a gentle glide hand launch like that, or chuck glider launch. Now, I still reckon that's a bit tail heavy. Even with all the extra sand getting mixed in. It's rather nice, isn't it? Beautiful, peaceful evening. Oh, and that time it didn't stall. Yeah, I reckon it's still tail heavy. Slightest bit of breeze and it's pitching up. So I'll have to find a little bit more blue tack. Still, that'll do for now. It's a little bit dark to see clearly, but over on the headland there is where I was flying the other plane just earlier on today, and it was much too windy. In that sort of bowl, the wind was funneling up through the bowl.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.